Who is your business for? If your answer is everyone, you might be missing the mark. Today, we'll uncover why defining your ideal customer is the most critical step in your marketing foundation. Get ready to create a profile that helps you attract the right people and grow your business with less effort. Welcome to Small Business Big Visibility, the podcast empowering you, adventurous small business owners, to attract your ideal customers and boost your revenue. I'm your host, Jason McKenzie. Each week, we'll explore easy to implement tools and strategies to take your business to new heights and build the lifestyle you want. If you're ready for more profits and less stress, let's get started. Last time we talked about the importance of building a strong marketing foundation. Without it, marketing can feel kind of like throwing spaghetti against the wall, random and definitely messy. We explored three key elements: knowing your ideal client, defining your brand personality, and choosing the right marketing channels. Jane, the carpet cleaning business owner we talked about, learned how clarifying these basics helped her focus her efforts and see real results. So instead of trying to market to everyone, she identified her target audience, busy families and pet owners, and it helped transform her marketing approach. Today, we're diving deeper into the first pillar of your foundation, and that is identifying your ideal customer. This step sets the stage for everything else you're going to do in marketing. Let's jump back to the story of Jane for a moment. Early in her carpet cleaning business, she believed her services were for anyone with carpets. She spent a lot of money advertising to a wide audience, hoping to capture as many people as possible. But something strange kept happening. Most of the inquiries she received weren't from the type of customers she really wanted to work with. Some people would just be looking for the cheapest plan. Others didn't even live within her service area. And the worst part, Jane was wasting valuable time and resources chasing leads that didn't pan out. One day, Jane's mentor asked her, "Who's your ideal customer?" Jane started to answer with her usual everyone, but was challenged to dig deeper. After some thought, she realized that the customers who loved her services the most had one thing in common. They were families with young kids or pets. These customers cared about keeping their homes clean and were willing to pay for the quality. By narrowing in her focus, Jane was able to shift her messaging and her marketing efforts. Instead of saying, "carpet cleaning for everyone," she started saying, "we help busy families and pet owners keep their carpets spotless and their home healthier." She updated her website, ran Facebook ads targeting parents and pet owners, and then eventually she began partnering with local pet stores to offer promotions. These changes caused the leads she attracted to be a better match for her business, and she spent less time trying to convince the wrong people to hire her. Hopefully, this story of Jane will resonate with you and where you're at in your business. Maybe you've been casting that wide net, thinking it'll bring in more business. But the reality is, when you try to appeal to everyone, you risk appealing to no one. Defining your ideal customer is not about excluding people. It's about focusing on the ones who truly need and value what you offer. So, how do you do it? Here's a step-by-step guide. Begin with demographics. Ask yourself, are my customers a specific age group? Or do they have a specific profession or lifestyle? Where do they live? For Jane, her ideal customers were homeowners in the suburban area with kids or pets. So, what about your customers? Next, focus in to understand their problems. What challenges do your ideal customers face that your business can help solve? For Jane's customers, it was the struggle to keep carpets clean despite muddy paws or sticky fingers. Take about 10 minutes and write down some of your customers' biggest pain points. Next, let's dig into their behavior. Where do they spend their time both online and offline? What social media platforms do they use? Do they prefer online shopping or in-person service? Understanding these types of behaviors and others that relate to it is going to help you understand and know where to find your ideal customers. Next, think about what they value. What matters most to your ideal customers? Is it quality, convenience, affordability? Aligning with their values is going to help your marketing resonate at a deeper level. Next, you're going to build out a persona. Combine all this information and more to help build a persona of who your customer is. Some people even go so far as to give their customer persona a name like Busy Brenda or Dog Dad Dave. This makes it easier to imagine who you're talking to in your marketing. Let's imagine Jane's customer persona as an example. Name, family friendly Fiona. Age 35 to 45. Lifestyle, suburban homeowner with kids and pets. Problem, needs a convenient way to keep carpets clean in a busy household. Values, professionalism, reliability, and health conscious solutions. Now, every time Jane, or her team for that matter, creates a marketing campaign, they can ask themselves, what would family friendly Fiona care about? All right, here's a key takeaway. Defining your ideal customer doesn't limit your business, it focuses it. And when you know who you're speaking to, your messaging really becomes clearer, your marketing becomes more effective, and your business attracts more of the right customers. And the best part is, you really don't have to figure all this out at once. Start with what you know and refine as you go. Over time, you'll get a sharper picture of your ideal customer, and your business will grow as a result. Remember, when you market to everyone, you connect with no one. Defining your ideal customer is the first step to creating marketing that works. Are you ready to define your ideal customer? Take 10 minutes today to write down their demographics, problems, and values. If you're unsure where to start, revisit the examples from this episode for inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe to Small Business Big Visibility. Next time, we'll help you craft a brand message that speaks directly to your ideal customer. Until next time, focus on finding your people and watch your business thrive.